Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make my CSS animation. It's a basic transition animation, but the color, it's very gradual, so it's not an instant change of color. When I hover over it, you can see this glow effect. So what to do is, you start off and create a new div, add an ID, and call it menu bar 1. Then a simple A element with a href do anything you want, so I'm just gonna call it this hash just for this example. And then you close the A element and call this home. We can have this copied over, say 5 times, and call them this will be about us, and this will have contacts, services, staff, anything. So this will be home, then it's going to be contacts, then it's going to be about us, services, staff. So this will be staff. This is going to be contacts. About us. And services. Now if I run this, all I'm going to get is a list of random, or a list of just underlined links that don't have anything in common. They just don't do anything. There's no spaces, and that's what you want. And if I go back into my Dreamweaver, I want to go I want to create a link to my CSS page, so I'm just going to create it now. Okay, so this will link my main CSS and my index.html together. So I close it and I open it. Now I have so far this is empty, so this is what I'm going to change to make my buttons look more interesting. With the animation, I'm just going to use a transition. Right, so what we need to do now is we need to manage the body div. So what we do is we change the background. To black. We change the margin. Sometimes the pages automatically go to 0, so we just change it. They don't have 0, so we just need to change it to 0 pixels. And that's it. Now the next thing we need to do, is we control the menu bar. The menu bar div controls all of these A elements, without having to change it into a class. So now I've just added values and different options for the div menu bar. A elements. So I've changed the font family to Arial, font size to 17, background color to a light grey, the padding to 12 and 24, the color of the text to white, text decoration to none so there's no underline, margin to right so they're spaced out, the buttons are spaced out, and the border radius so that the corners are nice and round. So now when I go and view and open this, it looks like this. There's no hover option, so now I can just easily take this, copy this down, and add colon hover. Now I can control this, and the only thing we change is background. We change the color to say we change it to a nice green. Then we go change the color, the text color to white. That's it. So now if I run this, I'm going to get a nice change of color, but there's no transition, it's an instant change. So now all I need to do is add one line to the normal state of the button, which is transition, and now we just write in and that's it. And this will make it run nice and smoothly. Let's see. And there you have it. And this is how you can change to make a nice smooth change of color.